Ben, it's Angie. I just wanted to show you how to do the ads that appear on the side. What you need to do first is obviously create your ad or get the banner and try to make it, I would try to keep it the same width as what you see the current ones that are there. You can kind of play around and get the general idea of the size there. Once you have it created, what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure you put it in the Media Manager. And I think I put it in that file. Let me look at banners. Yes. I went ahead and put them just in the regular root. And then once you have done that, once you put the image in there, let's say like the United Way, if you right-click, if you put your cursor over the name and you right-click on it, you can copy the link location. So after you've added the photo and done that, then what I do is I go back to the control panel, and this is actually a module. So go to Extensions, Module, and you can see the ones that I have there already. The United Way banner. If you want to, you could just put a new image right underneath that one. So I'll show you two ways. You could either do that, so you click on United Way banner, and then you can see down here you have a what you see is what you get. And there's the United Way logo, which if you go to the HTML by clicking on that, you'll see the source. It's pulling from images, stories, and there's the United Way tag. If I wanted to add it again, there it is again. That's the full location. It actually is the same location as this one up here, but this one's got the full address on it, so it doesn't matter which you use. This is the type of tag, though. Or, if you don't want to do it that way, you could also do it this way, where you just click on the image like you do in an article, and it takes you right to the image section, and let's do that logo there. And we want to insert it. And there you go. So that's really the easiest way to do it. So that's how I would do it if I were you, is just click on the image. But then you can add a link to it if you need to, just like you have probably done before. So that's very, very simple. And then you would save it. Now if you wanted a whole different new little box on the side, actually let me take a look, because I don't know if yours separates. Yes, if you wanted to create a brand new box on its own, you would want to just click New. And then what you're doing is a custom HTML. So you would click on that and hit Next. Give it a title, whether you want the title to show or not, whether you want it enabled. And the position that those are in are obviously the right-hand side, so you just find right and click on that. And then you do the same thing. You put the logo in whatever text you want. Now the order, you can set the order here too. So obviously you can play around with that. And then you would hit Save, and it would become another box underneath the United Way. If it doesn't at first save to underneath United Way, you can go, these are where all those modules are on the right-hand side. You can see here the upcoming events, the game day weather, United Way, and login, which doesn't appear on all of them. You can play around with those to be able to get them in the position you want them to be in. So you can either play around with them by clicking on them and adjusting them based on that drop down, or you can use these arrows here to do that. So it's really, really very simple. So that should do it, and that should help you. And if you need any other help in regards to banners, just let me know. Thanks.